Hello and what's up Minecrafters? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a bit of programming with LUA. So the mod I'm using is ComputerCraft. I have got some other mods, but the only mod I'm going to show you today is ComputerCraft and how to program with it. One second, let's just turn off my mini-map. This is advanced HUD, by the way. It just gets in the way. So let me show you what I have made. That's going to come up. And this is all programmed using LUA, in other words, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you in the programming. I'll be showing you the coding and how it all works. So that's what's going to be happening in this video. So let's get to it. Just log in. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just, so that's what happens. Let's shut it down, and I'll be back with the coding in a second. Okay, I'll be back. So to easily locate the coding you've done, you go %@data%. This is how you would have installed the mod. I'm gonna go full screen. You go to .minecraft. These are all the mods I've got. You go to saves. I have a lot of saves. If you just go to the saver in, and you should have computer. And you go to, I've saved it on a disk. We have to go to the computer number. Just go for those and eventually find it. But mine's on a disk, on number 4. And I go like this, edit with Notepad++. Okay? Notepad++ is best. So let's get into it. So so the monitor was on top as seen here. So you type mon equal peripheral.wrap and then top, because to set where your monitor is. Clear, set the cursor position, text scale, then that will print. So now I have been in the middle of coding something, so I think I'll start coding that, shall we? I think I'll show you how you would code. I'm just logging in here. Okay, so now so if I go to the shutdown, but I want to do reboot. So if I do edit reboot and just quickly save it. So what I want to do is sleep, and I want to sleep for 1 second. No, I want to sleep for 0.5 seconds, yes? Okay, then I want to go enter. I want to go print logging out of my brow technical control center ellipsis, and then I want it to sleep for, say, 3 seconds, yes? No. Yeah, 3.3 seconds, okay? Then I want it to print logged out. And then I want it to sleep for. This is all the coding, yeah? This is coding, and I thought it would be good to see how I code with LUA. This is LUA, this isn't a very complicated one, so you should pick up very easily. If there's any trouble you have with coding, or anything that you want to know if you're able to do or not able to do or anything. Any questions, you can just whack them in the comments. So I want to do it 3.5. Then print system rebooting ellipsis sleep for 3 seconds, then OS, yeah, you can either do reboot or shutdown. In this case, I'm going to do shutdown. Reboot, and then don't forget this thing, okay? Because without those, it's gonna have an error. And you know what? At the top, I'm just gonna go enter, clear. Then don't forget that. So when you're copying from a video, make sure you copy. So the capitals matter. Yes, which I'll get to some stuff with the monitor in a minute. The capitals matter, and yes, it does matter. So if I do reboot, whoops, let's see what it does. So it doesn't like that, because this is just to show you, and I carry on forgetting this. I'm really, I've already done 300 lines of coding, and I'm still bad at this part. You can't start with clear. You just can't. It doesn't like it. It just goes screw you, and it doesn't work. So let's try it then. I have spelled technical wrong. Yes, you might be shouting at me for that. I have spelled it wrong, I admit. But I'm only 9 years old. Don't blame me. I'm pretty good for a 9-year-old. But yeah, so I'll get in. So maybe, yeah, I think I should. It's nearly time to wrap up. I'll fix that, and then I think it'll be time to wrap up. Yeah, it's nearly hitting the 10 minute. It's about 7 minutes now. 7:30 now. With Bandicam, I can only record 10 minutes because I haven't got the paid version. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I made a new website, and don't forget to go check out part 2 of my series, which is top 5, and like part 2 for part 3 if you want. Go check it out, and if you like it, press the like button, because that encourages me to make part 2. It's not like I'm gonna get many likes, because not many people watch my videos. But you know, you're not always great right at the start. But if your class made a new account, they would instantly be massive hits, wouldn't they? Because they would probably say in their old account. But anyway, yeah. So I fixed that, and yeah, I'll get into the other things next. Next episode. And oh, by the way, just if you have a disk drive with floppy in it, you do CD disk, and yes, and you can get into the disk. So if I do if you have a disk in the disk drive next to your computer, then if it has a program on it called startup, that will change the start. If you don't have a startup for your actual computer, like saved on your computer, then it will use the one from the disk. If I have spelt something wrong. If you saw the screen, I did put Verison instead of version. Yeah. At least I'm honest. Jesus Christ. You see how fast I type though. It's not easy to get every single thing right. There's so many mistakes and 300 lines of coding I've been doing. Yeah, so it should work now. Well, that's it, guys, for this episode. So see ya, and yeah, peace out. don't forget to like and comment the video, and